Let's learn to read. Sound sentence practice.
The hen has eggs. The hen has eggs. The pen is new. The pen is new. The jet is in the sky. The jet is in the sky. The vet helps pets. The vet helps pets.
Your turn.